Hi, this is Carl Secochis with Air National Texas Air Conditioning and Heating with an update on our coronavirus protection plan. As many of you know, air conditioning and heating is designated as an essential service, so our technicians will be out and about visiting clients and driving out on the roads and in public. We have taken all the precautions that CDC recommends right from the start, including using sanitizing wipes for both the technicians' hands and for our tools. And the next step that came out is the CDC just this week has recommended that anyone out in public wear a mask to cover their face. So we have procured masks for each of our technicians as they come out, and as they come to your house, they will be wearing a mask very similar to this, or very much just like this. This is what you'll see as our technicians come out. As things progress, we will continue to follow CDC rules. In the meantime, we're all in this together. We'll work together and get through this. But if you need air conditioning or heating service, please give us a call at 281-251-3143. Air National Texas, we create your comfort zone.